look up for it. Wow. And we got a warning issue for our county. It's gonna happen. It's Justin again. Oh, there we go. Lightning. I think one of the best footage is where I should be able to go. This one looks better than up here. I'm zooming in.
He's gonna want to move someday. Take pictures and see what occurs.
I don't need to worry about it. I already got hit the other day. It's alright now. I hope it doesn't rain on us. Oh, rotation! I got rotation. It's on the roll. Oh, wow. I'm indicating rotation up above us.
Oh, yeah?
It's rapidly rotating.
You can see all that?
Oh, look up there. It's rotating. Look.
I'm trying.
Rotation. I should be able to report there's a tornado coming to hit. Oh, look. Is that a little funnel? Yeah, that's a little funnel right there. But it's not coming down. It's probably just moving. Whoa. I'm liking this. I'm really liking this. It's the best thunderstorm I've ever seen.
Well, it hasn't.
Gotta get the bag. Wow. So much grinding and it pays off. Finally. So much grinding and it pays off. I caught that lightning strike. Mama. This might be my last video of the season. Is it rotating? Yeah, it's rotating. It's rotating rapidly. Oh, look at that little funnel right there. Look at that funnel. It's that dark funnel. I don't think it's coming down. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's coming down. Coming down. Okay, the back is trapped. This thing's a monster. I don't need to worry about team. Because it could get flipped over anyways. Oh, snap.
I'm gonna come in and
It could get flipped over anyways. Wow.
Oh,
I'm liking this. I'm liking this so much.
I should go get me some of those toffee peanuts. And I want to, but I eat so many.
Oh, is that a funnel? Look.
So
Oh, is that? It's a funnel.
So I said, okay, can I get a can or
We gotta
two
get there.
and have it last for a week?
Ah!
That's the problem.
Oh, we gotta
But
get
I do
there.
not want to eat a can a day.
Oh, we gotta get
Even
there.
half a can a day. That's ridiculous. I think I'm gonna get those. They have a 5 or 6 pack of baby fruits. And I
Nothing's
think
behind
that's
us.
what I'm gonna get. Last time I got them for my trip, and I ate them the day I got them.
This makes the screen
But I'm gonna
wider.
hide
I'm
'em.
definitely sending this right there. Right there. That's what I'm looking at. I need to keep an eye on it. By the way, by the time we might get out of the store, it'll be storming all over us. Oh, that's a new base over there. That's the new base right there. Right there. Whoa, that's a damaged dog. Caliber. It's not from the storm, probably something. Oh, there's a dog caliber. Alright, we're pulling over. I'm getting out. We're going in the store. By the time we get out, we might be able to get hit by the storm that's actually gonna hit.
Yeah. I think I'll go with the baby room. What's your coming?
Oh my god. I'm getting hit by RFD. I'm getting hit by RFD.